Hi everyone. So today I'll be showing my daytime skincare routine as I have told on my last video, and I have just come out of my shower and my face is already cleansed. The cleanser that I have used is this simple micellar gel wash. It's a very nice product, and on my last video also I have used this product. Now I'm moving on towards my second step of skincare. So this is the niacinamide serum that I'm going to use now. It's from Well and it's the niacinamide 10%. So this is a very nice product, as I have told on my last video also. It has 10% niacinamide in it, and it's very softening and very great for the skin. And the most important thing is it's very affordable and comes in a huge bottle and lasts for a long time. So I'm going to take the product on my palm and going to tap the product on my face and neck. Oh, by the way, I voted, so hope you have voted. All of you have voted too. Next I will be applying a moisturizer. Now for the moisturizer part, during the summers when my skin becomes a bit oilier, it's not oily at all, it's my skin is quite dry, normal to dry skin, but it becomes quite oilier. I stick to moisturizers that are very lightweight. I'm moving towards the third step, which is applying the moisturizer. This one I'm using the Dot & Key 72-hour gel moisturizer. It has probiotics in it. It's a very hydrating product and I really liked it. So this is how the texture is. It's like that of a mousse. As you can see, I apply all the products on my hands. I do that. It has become a habit of sort for me. The next step is applying sunscreen, which I think after cleansing, which is the most important step of skincare. It's like brushing your teeth, it's like brushing your teeth every day. So applying sunscreen is also should be also something that you should do every day without fail. So for that I'm going to use this ceramide sunscreen from Moody. It's I really like this product. Moody has got, I think, four types of sunscreens, and I have used, this is the second bottle of this one that I am using. Even their hyaluronic acid hydrating sunscreen is also very good. So I think when this one gets over, I'll buy that one, the hyaluronic acid hydrating sunscreen, the blue one. So yeah, this one. And when I'm going out, like I have to get ready, or I have to apply some makeup or so, I have stopped applying makeup totally, absolutely. So what I do nowadays is I apply a tinted sunscreen, and this is the one that I go for nowadays. This is the only product that is quite expensive in the whole, amongst all the things that I'm using. This is the one from Bioderma. It's the Photoderm Aqua Fluid sorry, tinted sunscreen. So today what I'm going to do is, I don't know whether it's legit or not, but I sometimes do this method, use this method, and I find my skin to be, it looks really nice throughout the day whenever I do it. So I have taken one fingerful of the Moody sunscreen, which is white in color and which is not tinted, and I am going to take another fingerful of the Bioderma tinted sunscreen. So this is how I'm going to use the product. Don't forget your neck also. Now the last step of my skincare is using a lip balm. The one that I'm using is the Ceramide Lip Care from Wishtrend. It has SPF 50, and this is the one that I have been using for a long time now, almost a year, and I don't intend to switch to any other product. There's a beautiful tint to it. Like, I have used a lot of tinted sunscreen, but this tint is like, it's not very shiny like the other popular ones. I'm not going to name them. Are very shiny. This is not that shiny. It's like it's very hydrating, and it really softens the chapped dead cells on your lips. I really find this product great, and on top of everything, it has SPF 50, which is a really plus point. So you can carry it inside your purse. It's not that expensive also. So yes, these are the products that I am using for my daytime skincare routine daily. This will be the products that I will be using this whole winter month. And so hope you have liked the video. So if you have liked the video, please don't forget to share it and do comment whatever you want to watch in future. So yes, bye. Have a nice day. Love you all.